Welcome to Certs Hub. In this video, we'll cover 15 advanced FortiGate 7.4 administrator exam questions that reflect the difficulty and structure of the real exam. These are designed to challenge you, sharpen your understanding, and prepare you with realistic scenarios. Let's begin. Which two inspection modes are available on FortiGate 7.4 next generation firewalls for firewall policies? Option A, SSL inspection and IPS mode. Option B, flow-based and proxy-based. Option C, transparent mode and NATI mode. The correct answer is option B, flow-based and proxy-based. FortiGate offers two inspection modes to handle traffic analysis. Flow-based mode prioritizes speed and performance, while proxy-based mode enables deeper inspection and full content scanning. You've configured a web filter profile with a banned word list, but FortiGate fails to block pages containing those words. What is the most likely reason? Option A, SSL deep inspection is not enabled. Option B, the word is not present in the URL. Option C, DNS filtering is disabled. The correct answer is option A, SSL deep inspection is not enabled. If SSL deep inspection is turned off, FortiGate cannot decrypt and inspect HTTPS traffic, which means it cannot detect banned words within encrypted pages. Which CLI command helps filter real-time traffic logs by source IP? Option A, diagnose debug flow filter ADA XXX. Option B, get system performance status. Option C, show firewall log filter source. The correct answer is option A, diagnose debug flow filter ADR XXX. This command is used for real-time traffic debugging and allows you to focus on logs from a specific IP address, which is extremely useful during live troubleshooting. You've configured multiple SD-WAN members, but FortiGate continues to use the same path every time. What could be the reason? Option A, all links are in manual mode. Option B, health checks are disabled. Option C, bandwidth weight is 0. The correct answer is option B, health checks are disabled. When health checks aren't configured, FortiGate assumes all SD-WAN members are functioning and sticks to the default route. Dynamic path selection depends on these checks. What does a virtual wire pair allow FortiGate to do? Option A, bridge two VLANs with NAT. Option B, inspect layer 2 traffic transparently. Option C, route packets based on static rules. The correct answer is option B. Inspect layer 2 traffic transparently. Virtual wire pair lets FortiGate inspect traffic between two interfaces without assigning IP addresses. It's ideal for inline security deployments. Which feature helps FortiGate detect unknown zero-day threats? Option A, heuristic scanning. Option B, FortiSandbox integration. Option C, real-time signature updates. The correct answer is option B, FortiSandbox integration. FortiSandbox analyzes file behavior to detect previously unknown threats, making it a strong defense against zero-day exploits. A policy shows 0 active sessions, but traffic is clearly flowing. What could be the cause? Option A, the policy is set to log only. Option B, traffic is offloaded to hardware. Option C, the session timeout is too low. The correct answer is option B, traffic is offloaded to hardware. When FortiGate uses hardware acceleration, some sessions are offloaded and may not appear in the basic session list, even though they're active. When using certificate inspection mode on FortiGate, what actually happens? Option A, the device replaces the server certificate. Option B, only the certificate is inspected, not the encrypted traffic. Option C, full SSL decryption is performed. The correct answer is option B, only the certificate is inspected, not the encrypted traffic. Certificate inspection is a lighter approach where FortiGate reviews the server's certificate but doesn't decrypt the full content. In a UTM policy, how can you ensure traffic is inspected by the IPS engine? Option A, enable flow-based mode. Option B, apply an IPS sensor. Option C, enable traffic logging. The correct answer is option B, apply an IPS sensor. Without assigning an IPS sensor to a policy, intrusion prevention will not be applied, even if flow-based mode is enabled. What does FortiGate do when it encounters an unknown application? Option A, it blocks and logs it automatically. Option B, it allows it with limited bandwidth. Option C, it allows it unless there's a rule to block it. The correct answer is option C. It allows it unless there's a rule to block it. FortiGate only blocks traffic if an explicit rule is defined. Unknown apps are allowed by default. How does FortiGate detect application usage? Option A, by port number. Option B, through protocol signatures. Option C, only when flow-based inspection is enabled. The correct answer is option B, through protocol signatures. FortiGate uses signature-based deep inspection to identify and control application traffic regardless of port number. Which feature can dynamically quarantine a device based on its behavior? Option A, FortiAnalyzer. Option B, FortiSandbox. Option C, FortiClient EMS. The correct answer is option C, FortiClient EMS. FortiClient EMS allows you to set automated policies that isolate endpoints when they behave abnormally or become compromised. When should you choose proxy-based inspection over flow-based? Option A, when performance is more important than depth. Option B, when deep content analysis is required. Option C, when dealing with non-TCP traffic. The correct answer is option B, when deep content analysis is required. Proxy-based inspection offers a full content scan and detailed logging, making it ideal for high-security environments. How can you prevent FortiGate from logging specific types of traffic? Option A, exclude the source IP in global logging settings. Option B, set the matching policy to log none. Option C, disable session helpers in CLI. The correct answer is option B, set the matching policy to log none. This disables logging for that specific policy, ensuring traffic passes silently without record. Which setting is required to enable DNS filtering in FortiOS 7.4? Option A, enable the DNS database globally. Option B, assign a DNS filter profile to a policy. Option C, use explicit proxy mode. The correct answer is option B, assign a DNS filter profile to a policy. DNS filtering works only when a DNS filter profile is bound to a security policy. Our advanced FortiGate 7.4 practice questions. Visit trendycerts.com to explore our practice resources for Fortinet and many other certifications. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exam-focused content.